what you need are borax powder, a cup of hot water, 1 bowl, a bottle of glue, 1/2 teaspoon, and something to mix with. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is get your cup of water. Take your 1 teaspoon and just scoop the borax powder. So this is what it should look like. And then just pour it in. And then you're gonna do 2 of those. So
What's a borax powder?
it's just like laundry detergent. And then just do another. So. And then you're done with that. So put the borax off to the side. Then take your straw or whatever you're using to mix with and just stir it up. Oh, also food coloring is optional, so I'm gonna go get that real quick. So let that sit. And then go get not borax powder, food coloring. This slime needs to be blue because I am doing this for my book report and like that. So once this is mixed, you can just like put it off to the side. And I'm gonna go grab some shaving foam because I did not think about this. So let me get some shaving foam. Okay, so you got your shaving foam. So now what you need to do is get a napkin. So that's over here. I was not prepared. Take a straw, wipe it off, basics. Okay. Then take your glue, take the lid off, and pour your glue out into the bowl.
How much?
All of it. This is gonna take a while. Take your food coloring, and this one, like I said, has to be blue. So take it, but like, Takashi, zoom in on this. Zoom in on this. Look, I did too much. Well, I don't know. I was just saying that I need to make slime for my book report. I know, but like,
Okay.
so. And then just add your activator. So, hey Tanner, I'm making slime. You're going on YouTube. No, I'm just kidding. Hi Daddy.
That was a bad joke.
Now, adding your activator.
Just a little?
Just a little.
Why?
Because if you add too much, then your slime will get hard. I usually don't take this long on slime. Whoa! That's so cool. It's so fluffy.
Could you describe it for the camera?
It feels like melted marshmallows.
No, like use your hands.
After I mix it up.
Are we there yet?
You're like a kid. He's like, are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Yeah.
My face is not like that.
What?
What? How many steps do we have to do?
We have 0 more steps. This is the last one.
So the last step is just mix it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just make extra every time.
So to mix this till
You want to mix this until like all of your shaving cream is inside the slime, not like this, because if it's like this, then
okay, and the slime would what do you call it?
I don't know.
Shape of the slime.
Any shape, really. Whoa! Look, Skybird's name.
The audience.
Yes, there you go. It's so. Look. He's in his underwear. Grant, why are you in your underwear? And that's your slime.
We're finishing in 3, 2,
Bye.
1. Okay, could you